didn't have that.
This is your money?
Yes, I heard him crumble it up. Thank you. Thank you. All that's been recorded, right? That's my money.
Can you believe it? Police officer has been accused of embezzling $900 from a driver with a federal warrant. What's the truth behind this story, and what happened after the money was discovered? Let's dive into the details in the video below. The story begins when a motorcycle patrol officer pulls over a vehicle for speeding.
Good. Hey, I clocked you at 68, okay? That's why I'm stopping you. Yeah, do you have your lights on you? Alright, just give me a moment, alright?
The situation escalates when the officer discovers that the driver has an outstanding federal arrest warrant.
Hey, appreciate you coming out.
To handle the case, patrol officer calls in the investigation team for support and takes the suspect to the police station. This is where our main character, Officer Henry Chapman, comes into the picture. The suspect is quickly removed from the car.
Sir, come on, step back here. Go ahead and face that call. Touch phone on the top of it.
And arrested due to the federal warrant. This arrest was entirely legal, based on a federal court order requiring law enforcement to apprehend those violating federal laws.
Is this your car? It's my girlfriend's car. Your girlfriend's car. Did he drive it, the guy that's in the passenger seat? Go ahead, twist your feet up there.
So, what am I doing?
Before taking the suspect to the patrol car, the officers perform a standard search. And this is where things start to unfold.
Yeah, you can give me, you can put them in my pocket.
During the search, the officer finds a small amount of money in the suspect's left pocket. At the suspect's request, this money is returned to his shirt pocket. However, when checking the suspect's chest pocket, Chapman finds a large stack of cash. Chapman's greed begins to take over.
I'm gonna leave that cash in there. Any other pockets I need to know about?
No, sir.
Go ahead and see this right.
So, what is my money on the thing off there, guys? What?
Oh, okay.
Unlike the previous time, this money is not returned. Instead, Chapman discreetly takes it to his vehicle.
So I'm gonna roll the window down and tell you what you're in here for.
A little later, a friend of the suspect arrives at the scene to collect the suspect's 2 phones and car. But is denied the request to follow the suspect to the police station.
No, that's going with you. That's going to be with you. We're not giving that to anybody else. We got that off you, so it's staying with you, so you know we didn't take none, and none's going to be missing. All right, but I want to. No, we are taking that. That's staying with you. That's the rule.
And you get me
So
some of it
because it come off of you. Every bit of it's going with you. Does that make sense? That's accountability, because when it comes to stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So
The same type of say. They're gonna double check it just to be sure.
okay. Sir, just give it just a minute, all right? Big money.
When they arrive at the station, Chapman transfers the suspect's belongings, including the large sum of money. At this point, the suspect begins to notice Chapman's behavior.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The suspect repeatedly glances at the vehicle and argues with Chapman while another officer counts the money in front of him.
7, 8, 9.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to question you.
Let me count it first. and
No,
then
can you look in between his legs real quick? Well, I think he just put some more money in between his legs. I'm sorry.
How much money did you have on you?
However, the suspect is not concerned about this, but insists the police check the area between Chapman's legs, where he suspects the officer hid the money.
Sir, listen to me. Tell me how much cash you had on you. What was the amount?
I just want to see. I'm not.
Despite the female officer repeatedly asking the suspect about the initial amount of money, continues to insist that Chapman stole part of his money. Chapman's gestures do not escape the suspect's watchful eye.
He's moving in between his legs.
Sir, stand right here.
I'm gonna stand right here, but can y'all please check y'all fellow officer? Please. What's going on? Look, he's moving his arm right now.
How much cash did you have on you?
Can you check your
Yeah, I
hands?
didn't.
Can you check your...
The argument intensifies when another officer joins the conversation.
Look at his hand. He's tucking money. He's tucking money right in his right hand.
Tell me how much money you
He's
had on
tucking
you.
money. He's tucking my money. That's a problem. Can y'all check him?
Listen to me. What was your total cash?
He's telling her no. Don't check him.
Listen.
Look at him moving. He's moving. Oh my God. Y'all not gonna check him?
Listen.
Look
Chill
at
out.
Listen. Come on.
I've been cooperating
Let me tell
with you
you
guys the whole time. I'm not
I'm not
gonna lie.
gonna allow anybody to take your money.
Look at him. He's moving.
But look at me. Look at me. If someone takes your money, it will be a big problem. All right. No one's gonna take your money. I can see his hands. I can see exactly what he's doing. No one's gonna take your money. She's gonna count your money. There's more money.
Watched him touch my money. You
There's
guys
more
didn't
money in
check
here.
him.
You're saying that there's more money in here?
But what I'm saying is
Let me
that
ask you a question. Answer my question. Are you saying that there's more money in here?
what I'm saying is he just touched my money and went through 3 different floor compartments, and I seen him put it in between his legs. I heard my rubber band. I've been nothing but cooperative with you guys. All I wanted you guys to do was.
Okay, watch.
I'm saying, but he already moved and did a lot of different stuff.
Chapman steps out of the car, shakes himself to prove he did not take any money and did not hide anything between his legs. However, the suspect remains adamant that Chapman stole and hid the money in the vehicle.
How much cash do you have on you total? So I can count it out and we can verify if it needs missing. That's what I'm asking you.
We
Do
can
you know
do this right
what the
now.
total amount was?
Man, I honestly don't. The money was for bills. My wife gave it to me. The one that she tried to give me. I tried to give her the money. He said don't give it to her.
Okay.
Cause I went to Wendy's. I got a Wendy's receipt right.
But do you know how much cash you had on you? So I can count it out so we can verify the total. Do you know approximately how much you had on you?
If I say a number and I get it wrong because he touched the money, then it's gonna be all wrong. But I just don't understand why I heard my rubber band being popped.
I just grabbed it from the seat to give to her.
That's not what you just told me either, boss.
I did. That's what I did. And I handed her the
I'm not gonna lie,
envelope
boss.
that I was
Have I gave you any problems?
No,
with
sir, you have
in
not.
your car? The whole time. He asked for the small envelope. We didn't put the money in there then. He asked for it it just doesn't make sense. But you can do your job. I'm not trying to postpone or cause a problem. I just want to see how much is missing out at this point.
I want to count in front of you so
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can see how much that you have, okay?
A while later, the suspect agrees to let the female officer recount his money.
20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 7, 190.
After counting, the suspect becomes even more convinced that Chapman took a small portion of the money. The argument escalates further when Chapman's vehicle is searched.
Come here. I'm not telling you.
I want you to hold me though, so you know that.
Okay. Do you see anything?
No cap. I'm not even gonna touch it. It's blue hundreds right here. It's all the blue hundreds are right there behind that receipt. Thank you. All that's my money.
And the unthinkable happens.
Yes, I heard
Suspected money is found.
Thank you. All that's being recorded, right? That's my money. That's my money right there.
Sir, you've been watching me that whole time.
I seen you at her little where she do cosmetics at. With that money, we supposed to go to the bank. I'm pretty sure when y'all check the car, y'all see the little chase.
Chapman could only sit silently and slumped in the car.
M-O-N-C-R-E, last name Moon.
Do we have all your information?
Yes, sir, but I want to know what y'all gonna do about Mr. Chapman.
Okay.
He was just caught at work, tampering with evidence.
Mr. Moon, I'm gonna do my job, all right?
He was later taken to the waiting room for the detective to arrive, and his gun was confiscated.
All right. We have people coming in. Obviously, they have to talk to you, all right? So, I want to hold on to your weapon right quick, okay?
Yep. Go ahead. Just take the whole holster off. It's one of them.
QRS.
I got it.
Sergeant Burke and
Chapman expressed regret, but his actions had left an indelible stain on the police department. Chapman's actions could be considered embezzlement, criminal offense that could lead to prosecution. On March 15, 2024, just 1 day after the incident, Chapman resigned. The criminal case is still pending.
I'm sorry.
This story serves as a harsh lesson on ethics and integrity in the police profession. Temptation and greed can cloud judgment, leading to wrongful actions and serious consequences, not only legally, but also in terms of personal and organizational reputation. Maintaining honesty and responsibility is crucial to upholding public trust and ensuring justice in society.
okay until they get here. Okay, buddy. All right. Let me know if you need anything. All right.
I'm good, Paul. I appreciate it.
Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.